Hey Jack, how are you doing today?
I am feeling a bit run down lately.
Why, what's going on?
I've had a lot to do and I can't sleep at night. I have been taking sleeping pills, but that just seems to make me more tired.
You don't want to take those pills. There are always natural ways of getting over that run-down feeling.
What do you mean? How?
Well, you could a treatment by Emma Curtis Hopkins. I can give it to you, if you would like.
I will try anything at this point. What do I have to do?
When you go home, you are going to sit on your bed. Light a white candle and close your eyes. You will then say the following words: I am strong, I am strong, I am perfect strength. I cannot think of weakness being near God or where He is. He where I am all the time. Thus, I am and must be strong in His strength. There is nothing but strength in the universe. It is full of strength. I breathe each instant. I am strength through and through, and show forth nothing else. I know I am strong. I get my strength from God and He has plenty for me. I am strong and vigorous and can do all that I want to do. I have endurance unlimited. All is strength and all is mine, for all is God. I am one with God. And so it is.
That sounds great. I hope it works. Thanks again.
You are welcome. Let me know how you are doing.
Thanks, Debbie, I will.